If you fail to submit an income tax return by the due date, SARS then imposes monthly administrative penalties. These penalties can range from 250 Rand to 16,000 Rand per month, and they are recurring on a monthly basis until your tax return has been filed. If you don't pay those administrative penalties, SARS then requests a third-party provider such as a bank or your employer to collect the funds on their behalf. But before it gets to this stage, I will highly recommend that you consider requesting SARS to waive the penalty. So many people don't actually know how to go about this, and here's an easy way that you can request SARS to waive the administrative penalties. You'll have to log on to e-filing. You then request a statement of account. Once you've requested the penalty statement of account, on top you click dispute. This will take you to another window where you have to say request for remission, which will take you to another window where you have to provide reasons as to why they should consider waiving or reducing the penalty. And one of those reasons could be that this could be your first time that you have incurred administrative penalties, and maybe on that basis they will consider waiving, but you have to provide them with a good reason as to why they should consider waiving those administrative penalties.